Hello, R.K. Shirley here, and I want to do this video for some time now concerning binary options trading and what the signal providers won't tell you. 3 truths you need to know before selecting a signal provider, and hopefully these things will help you make good decisions and will help you to be much more profitable. Again, my name is R.K. Shirley. I'm a business owner. I have a brick and mortar business. I have branded products on Amazon. I've done a lot of things online. Been around the barn a time or two. And I absolutely love trading binary options. But whether you're just now considering them or you've been doing them for some time, you'll know one thing very quickly. You need help in the form of a signal provider. But most of these signal providers brag on the accuracy of their signals, how easy it is to make a huge return, but here's 3 things that they don't tell you, and these things are vital to your success. First off, the broker that you have will not offer all of the signal providers' trades because of their assets. Now, what I mean by asset is this is the item that you're deciding is going to go up or down. Okay, in this case, it's a currency, the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar, and so you get this signal and you go over to your broker and boom, they don't offer this this asset, and you're like, well, that's a wasted signal that I'm paying for because I can't get in this trade. And so that's something you have to really look at, and then you realize later the signal provider saying, hey, look at all these great trades I provided you, and you're like, yeah, but I couldn't use them, and that's a problem. Secondly, you can't always get in the trade at the signal provider's strike price. Now, the strike price is the figure that you're going to choose and decide, hey, it's going to go higher or lower. In this case, you can see the green arrow, which means they're telling you to go higher than 7534. Well, you go over there to your broker. He has the New Zealand dollar versus the USD, and you look, and all of the prices are now all of a sudden higher, much higher even than 7534, and you can never get in this trade. And you're like, well, that didn't do me very good. And then again, the provider's like, hey, look at this great signal I gave you. And you're like, it didn't do me any good. I couldn't get in at that strike price. Definitely a major problem. And the third thing is you can't get in. Your broker doesn't offer the same expiry as your signal provider. Now, the expiry is when the trade ends, and that's the time of decision. That's when the money's going to happen. In this case, it's the end of the hour. So you go over to your broker, it has the asset, it has the strike price is good, you can get in the trade, and then you realize that your broker doesn't offer it on the hour, but on the half hour, let's just say. And again, the provider brags on the great signals, but you couldn't get into them. And so these main 3 things, the asset, the strike price, and the expiry time, are vital from your signal provider to match up with your brokers, or it doesn't do you any good. I have discovered a great company called Options Domination, and they've worked out very well for me, and they provide quite a few things. First off, a great video training on the basics. They give me great broker recommendations and even deals with different brokers. Believe me, there's many brokers out there that are less than reputable, and you want to deal with some that you can be recommended from someone you trust. They offer advanced strategy training without signals, so you can actually learn to read charts and make your own decisions. This has done very well for me. They have multiple types of signals, which is good. It gives a fluctuation of things that coming in. Live trader events where you get to actually see a live trader and what he's thinking and doing, and helping you to take the trade. So you get to actually participate really with a professional. They have 3 different membership levels, from a novice to an expert level, so you can actually join where you feel very comfortable. And then lastly, they have this monthly Trimatrix bonus where all members, active members, are going to get a little piece of the pie. And that's pretty cool too. Not many people are doing that, that's for sure. So for more information, you can jump over to this address here, optiondominations.com. I'll have that listed below for you. But keep in mind that with trading binary options has the serious risk of partial or full funds loss. This fact should be taken into consideration by any trader who is planning to make profits by options trading. But hopefully the tips that I've given you today, you can combine that with a great signal company, and we will get to see you on the beaches of the world. Take care, and bye-bye.